Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Fullsend community token. Ticker symbol is Fullsend. Now this token is actually brought to you by the people at Fullsend. You would assume, with meme coins that this token may have just been made by some random developer, but no. This token is actually from @John, which is the Fullsend president, I believe. And we're going to go over the information on the Fullsend token and talk about how you can get it, because this token just got listed on a bunch of very big central exchanges, including the one in the top corner of the screen right here. We're going to go over the information on the Fullsend token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token is on the Solana blockchain. Brand new meme coin. You can find it on Solscan. If you go over to Solscan, you can find all the chart links as well. DEX tools, DEX screener, Gecko terminal. They also have links to RugCheck, Photon, Birdeye, GMGN, etc. Right now they have 14,356 followers, 6 decimal places on, or holders, I should say, 14,356 holders, not followers, more followers than that. And then they have, token price today is about 2.48 cents per token. So the full name of the token is the Fullsend community coin. And yeah, 6 decimal places. This token was created on pump.fun, a web page for creating Solana meme coins. And they start out with a max total supply of 1 billion tokens. It's deflationary, and right now the current total supply, 999,996,663 tokens. And they have a huge market cap. We'll get to that in a second. Now, this token just got listed on a bunch of big central exchanges. It just got listed on Mexc Global, Weex, and BITRUE, and many other ones. So an easy way to get this token, I put a link up in the corner of the screen here. You can just copy that QR code there, or take a snapshot of that QR code. That will take you to an amazing new central exchange called Weex, if you haven't tried that one out. Also, link is in the description box down there. This token just got listed on Weex. It also got listed on Mexc Global. So you could use either one of those referral codes down there in the description box easily to get this token. So all you'd have to do is simply go right through that Weex referral code down there, or that Mexc referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Fullsend, all one word, and then simply just buy the token. So it is available now. Now, Weex has a bunch of new sign-up bonuses, too, that you can get as a new user. So it's a really cool exchange. If you don't have a Weex account, check it out. Now, this token here is up 33,970% in the past 24 hours. Going insane, this token. Their market cap is $22.5 million, and that's also their fully diluted valuation. Just today, they have a 24-hour trading volume of $110.7 million. 174,627 transactions. Token price is 2.1 cents per token, and they have $356,000 worth of liquidity in Radium. And according to DEX Screener, 99.81% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. Now, I do watch the Nelk channel. here and there, and I have heard him mention, Kyle, the main guy, the main character in Nelk. I've heard him mention before that he wasn't in favor of, people trying to get him involved in some sort of a meme coin, like get a meme coin or these NFTs. He was calling them like drunk animals or whatever, pictures of drunk animals on these NFTs or whatever. And so yeah, I heard him like kind of diss it before, but we all know Trump has put out a very popular Trump meme coin. Same with Melania, tons of other celebrities. So they, probably saw that Trump did it, and then the president here at John. You can follow his Twitter. I'm gonna put it in the corner of the screen here. It says President of Happy Dad, Nelk Boys, Fullsend, Board Jerky, etc. And he put out this meme coin here. So I don't know if Kyle's involved or anything like that, but I mean, obviously they saw Trump do it and they said, oh, well, if it's okay with the president, I assume that they're like, oh, we could put out our own now, no problem. And especially because of the popularity of the Trump coin and them being at the, I think they were at like the inauguration or a bunch of different events. They've been on his plane together, things like that. So now they're getting involved with the meme coin space here as well. They have all sorts of different products. So you can follow John here at John. Real easy to find that Twitter. He has almost 500,000 followers. John Shahidi is his full name. 9,304 tweets, blue verified check mark, and he has a Fullsend community link in the Twitter right there. And their pinned tweet is them hanging out with Trump on the plane there that I was just talking about. But right underneath that, there's an address here, and it says that he locked his share of his tokens all the way until the year 2050. So that was a big advertisement for this token 11 hours ago. It says locked, and then it shows the address of the Fullsend token lock. And he locked, it looks like 598.8621 million Fullsend tokens. So that's, an incentive for people to see, oh, he's not going to sell his tokens because they're locked until the year 2050. He's not going to rug us. So therefore, this possibly could be a good buy. And a lot of people have been aping in. Like I said, $110.8 million 24-hour trade volume. Very popular token, trending number 8 right now. You can get it on the amazing new central exchange here, Weex. You can get it on Mexc, and it said coming soon to BITRUE as well. So you got many options. Check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.